So in this activity, I will read the direction first. Put smiley face if the sentence encourage safety and healthy practice for a reproductive system. And put sad face if it's bad practice. So who wants to answer number 1? Okay, Gemaline. Read.
Bath daily and wash with soap and water the genitalia.
Do you think it's safe or bad?
Safe po, ma'am.
Okay.
Bakit safe?
Next, Rose Ann.
Do not change underwear every day. Bad, mom.
Very good. Next, Marcy.
Use harsh soaps or other products for genitalia. Bad, ma'am.
Very good. So, ito is, bakit nga ba kaya bawal or hindi magandang gamitin yung mga soaps na harsh or products sa ating vagina? Yes?
Yung harsh soap po is pwede pong mag-cause ng allergic sa reproductive ng babae, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Next, what's your name again? Rose Ann.
Safe, ma'am. Eat balanced diet.
Very good. Next,
Ma'am.
Adelina.
Wear clean and dry underwear. Smiley. Safe, ma'am.
Very good. So, ngayon, siguro alam nyo naman na kung paano alagaan ang inyong mga vagina or hippie. Okay, next. Next activity na tayo. Supply the missing letter to form a word that is being described below. So, number 1, a soft-walled tube with mucous membrane. It is about 7 centimeters long. It is also called the birth canal. Okay, Bernard.
Vagina, ma'am.
A muscular ring that conducts the uterus to the vagina. Yes, Cristel?
Cervix po, ma'am.
Very good. I think you are understanding our lesson. So next, the passageway of the matured egg cell from the ovary to the uterus. This is also where the matured egg cell unites with the sperm cell. Who wants to answer? Rose Ann.
Fallopian tube, teacher.
Very good. Next, it is where the fetus stays for 9 months until birth. O, dapat alam nyo to kasi dito kayo namalagi ng 9 months. So, who wants to answer?
Ma'am.
Marcy.
Uterus, ma'am.
Very good. Next, it is the main female reproductive organ. Margie.
Ovary, ma'am.
Very good. Now, let us proceed to our individual activity. I will give you an activity sheet and you will answer if it is true or false. number 1. The vagina produces egg cell and the sex hormones.
False.
Very good. Number 2. The uterus is where the unborn babies develop.
True.
Very good. The oviduct or fallopian tube connects the rest of the system to the 2 ovaries.
True.
Good. The cervix acts as the passage through which the baby exits the uterus into the vagina.
True.
Very good. Number 5, the ovary is a usual place where the egg is fertilized by the sperm cell.
False.
Very good. Next, we are going to our next activity, which is the matching type. Match the parts of the female reproductive system in column A. Dito po yung column A. And its function, column B. So, who wants to answer number 1?
Ma'am.
Okay, Jillian. Next, Helena. Number 3, Jason.
Next, Eugene.
Next, Eugene. And last, Emerson. Let's check. Tama ba ang sagot?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 4.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5.
Correct,
Correct,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Amazing. Let's give ourselves a clap. 5 clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Our last activity is an individual group. Individual activity. So, I will give you a paper and you will answer it. Are you done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
teacher.
Okay, let us check. Number 1 is letter A. Number 2, letter D. Number 3, C. Number 4, A. Number 5, B. Okay. Let's all stand up and let us clap a firework clap. So I will demonstrate first. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Today, thank you for listening. Goodbye, class.